I'm getting ready for bed and I thought it might be the perfect time to unbox this Kindle holder and page turner. Straight the box. So this is the page turner. This is the arm for the Kindle holder. So it looks like this twists to loosen, and then there we go. Push the ball in. Now it's malleable, and then twist to tighten. So this is what it looks like up close. This is obviously where you put your Kindle. This can go in a bunch of different directions. This piece clicks up and down. I believe this piece turns. This is solid, so you can't bend it down here where it connects, but this one is bendable. So I'm going to put it on the back of my headboard so that I can lay in either direction and read my book. So this loosens, and that's what opens the claw. So it attached nicely. It's definitely sturdy. I don't know that I like it there, but I can see maybe I should attach it to the edge of my bed. It's definitely easy to take on and off, and it didn't leave any mark on my white headboard, so that's a plus. I have my Kindle, so I kind of like it there because then I can lay on my back and I can read my Kindle. Let's unbox the page turner. Comes with a wristband, a charger. This is the piece that goes on your Kindle, and this is the page turner. I will say the page turner fits nicely in my hand. I do like the feel of that. It's decently big, which is nice. I don't feel like I'm going to lose it. The wristband, if you want to attach it, attaches down at the bottom. There is a place to charge, and it came 95% charged. Oh, now it's down to 94%, but it is nice that it tells you that so that you're not trying to click and read your Kindle and have it die on you. The page turner on the back has 3 dots, only 2 of them are highlighted. I am assuming without reading any instructions that that is also the battery life. So I just clicked this button and I clicked this button at the same time. And you can see when I click here, it lights up. So it is working. So let's put it on my Kindle and see. Overall, this works exactly how I expected it to. I love that the page turner and the Kindle holder all came together. That makes it super easy. I love that I'm going to be able to just snuggle up in my blanket and not have to worry about taking my arms out to turn a page or having to hold my book or my Kindle. Overall, I'm super happy with how this turned out, and I definitely recommend it.